2 days ago. Yes, 2 days ago. I haven't done anything with it but this. So, yeah. Welcome back, Roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and today I'm going to get into the very last product I got from my She Scented haul. That is the Baobab Curl Enhancer Shake. This is my last one. So far so good with She Scented products. Let's see what this does for this hair. My hair was freshly washed and conditioned 2 days ago. Yes, 2 days ago. I haven't done anything with it but this. So, yeah. I want to see how much moisture this is going to get me. So, let's go ahead and open this up and see what it looks like. This is creamy, comes out effortlessly, and feels nice and smooth. No lumps, no bumps. So this says it is meant to define curls and coils, adds moisture to dry hair, smooths and fight frizz. I need all that. I need all that because, as you heard me say, I haven't done anything in 2 days. Not a drop of moisture has touched my hair since I washed and deep conditioned it, and you know that's a no-no, but this is gonna save me, right? It says rub a small amount into hands and apply evenly through damp curls. Style as usual, use on dry hair to reactivate out of control curls. Okay, so as I've done in the last couple of videos, the main thing I'm using this for is to see about moisture, because this is something I want to be able to use as a leave-in. I need to see how much it leaves in the moisture. Yeah, I need some slip. So let's see. Okay. There we go. Definitely has slip. Y'all see that? Okay. I would say with this, a little bit goes a long way. You see, I didn't use that much in this section. Okay. There's a super duper 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 light scent, if you could even call it a scent. I mean, with all them supers, it's safe to say there's not much of a scent in this. I can't smell anything. No particular style. I'm just pretty much just getting my hair out the way so it can dry and I can pick up my son without looking too crazy. Roses, the slip in this is so good, I have decided to take down this regular 2-strand twist and break it down into a flat twist. And if you know, you know. When it comes to slip and doing flat twists, both of them need one another. Okay, roses, all done. What I can say about this She Scented Baobab Curl Enhancer Shake so far is the slip is wonderful. The slip made me change my whole entire mind about what I was going to do with my hair. The slip made me go ahead and install these flat twists. So I'll be back to take it down, see what this definition is like, see what this moisture is like. If you want to go ahead and stay tuned for that, make sure you stay tuned to the very, very end. Other than that, if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and do that. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. This is the next day. I think my hair is completely dry and I need to hurry up and take this down because I have a child to take to school. So okay, let's do this. Looking good so far. Now here's the test. Right here. Okay, so let me start talking while I'm doing this. My hair is very, very soft. My hair feels... Okay, so my hair is still very soft. Definitely hydrated, moisturized. There's no cast. There's nothing out of the ordinary. My hair's not sticky. Clearly not flaky. I like it a lot. And as you can see, it's giving me a great amount of soft definition. I can tell you right now, this is another one of my favorite leave-in conditioners of 2021. Yeah. The panini we've been in is making all these years blend together, but you know what I'm saying. 2021, this is definitely one of my faves. And so far, every single product I've tried from She Scented 3 previous products. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, make sure you check my previous video on my mini haul from She Scented, as well as each product I have used, which is a total of 3, and I've done 3 separate videos. This will be the 3rd. So will I be purchasing more items from She Scented? Yes. I mean, I'll be crazy not to. When it's good, it's just good. So let me finish doing this, and I'm going to go ahead and insert some clips after I'm all the way ready. Maybe later on today I may decide to put on a little bit of makeup or something like that, but on the way to take it into school, no, I don't have time for that. But I had to go ahead and do the takedown for y'all while I can. Break up some of that clear parting areas. I'm just doing it with my fingers, which is my absolute tool of choice. Okay, so if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and do so. I mean, Look what I just did. I mean, why not? Go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell. And if you like watching videos like this, including protective styles of all kinds, some beauty, maybe a vlog or two, go ahead and consider subscribing, okay? Hit the notification bell. And other than that, I will talk to you roses later.